Click on Addresses. Only addresses that are relevant to the recruitment process need to be added. For example, addresses that would be used for recruitment correspondence and/or interviews. Each organizational unit can be assigned multiple addresses. For our example organization, the company's departments are spread across 3 separate addresses. Internally referred to as the 127 office, this address is where the board, administration, marketing, and human resources departments are located. The IT department is split. IT support is located at the 127 office, and IT systems and development at a second address, referred internally as the Glades office, which they share with the finance department. A third office, known internally as Russell, is where the operations department is located. All 3 addresses are relevant to the recruitment process, either being where applicants will be interviewed, or successful applicants will work. This type of configuration will be used to demonstrate the difference between an address being configured as global or private. When you registered, a blank address named Your Address was created for you and assigned to the top-level organization unit. The top-level organizational unit, Example South Limited, is already selected, so we just need to click on the edit icon. Change the nickname to one that is used internally by the organization. And enter the address details. Click Save. And OK. Then click the Add New. Add the Glades office address details. Click Save. OK. We have now defined 2 global addresses that can be used by all the organizational units. The third address that we want to enter, though, is only relevant to the operations department. Select the organizational unit, Operations. Click on Add New. Set the nickname to Russell. Set the access to Private. Now enter the rest of the address details. Click Save. OK. So now, with the organizational unit, Operations selected, 1 private address and 2 global addresses are displayed. If we select Example South, or any of the departments other than Operations, for example, Finance, only the global addresses are displayed. Also note that an address's status needs to remain active for it to be used by a recruitment campaign. When setting up the account details, and the top organizational unit, as the addresses had not yet been set up, no addresses were assigned. Click on the Details tab. Select Example South Limited. Edit. Note that the first address entered has automatically been assigned to the top-level organizational unit as its primary address. If it is not the correct address, it can be changed. Click Save. OK. Click on the Operations Organizational Unit. Edit. Note, likewise, the private address has been automatically associated to Operations as its primary address. Click Save. OK. Click on the Your Account tab. Note that the billing address has also been assigned to the first address. If this is incorrect, use Edit to assign the correct address.